Hey everyone, this is Rima's Culinary Adventures and we are making lime and coriander rice with beans. Our ingredients are oil, fennel and cumin seeds, finely diced onions, I prefer the brown kind, salt, finely diced garlic, the stalks of coriander leaves finely minced, sugar, washed and drained basmati rice, canned or pre-prepared beans of any kind, ground pepper or chili powder, lime zest, vegetable stock. I use a stock cube with hot water. You could use seasonings or spices instead, lime juice, frozen peas, minced chilies and green onions, and lots of coriander. Place your pan over medium heat and pour in your oil. Add in your whole spices and fry on medium heat, stirring constantly until golden and aromatic. Add in your onions and the salt and fry until everything is softened. We don't need to caramelize it, we just want it soft and aromatic. Now add in your minced garlic. You could also use grated garlic and then saute until it's cooked through. Now add in the coriander stalks and cook for about a minute or so until the flavors are released. Now add in your sugar and cook until it is slightly caramelized. This adds a lovely color and balances out the sharpness from the lime juice. Now we add in our rice and then we cook to combine all the flavors very well. And then we also want to dry out the remaining moisture from washing the rice. We don't necessarily want to brown our grains and therefore we want our heat at medium. Now we add in our pepper and then we stir until everything is well combined. Now we add in our beans and then we stir until everything is combined again. We want it to dry out just a little bit and then we want the spices to coat them as well. Now in goes our warm stock, lime zest, lemon juice, and our frozen peas. The peas will stay greener if you add them halfway through the process, but I like to add everything and forget about it for 15 minutes. Give it a good stir and place the lid back on and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes in medium-low heat, during which you could prepare a quick salad or some proteins to serve along with this dish. Once done, add in your minced chilies, herbs, and coriander and place the lid back on until you're ready to serve. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.